we got the wash and save and the Speed Queen commercial washer. This is a brand new Speed Queen washer. The model number is SWNN C2HP115TW01. This is our top loader washer. It's running right now. It's on warm, normal, and medium cycle. Alright, I'm gonna wait for a while so the machine gets into full speed. And then after that, I can open the lid so we can see how fast does it spin. It takes a while to get in full speed. This one has 21 minutes. And of course, you have to hit the start button to continue your cycle. It won't run until you hit the start again. It takes a second to get in full speed. Like I said, there's no vibration, no wobbling, no shaking. It looks perfect. Working condition. There it goes. It's spinning at full speed. Vanessa, how's it going today? Yeah, do you see me watching the washer going? Yeah, it's recording it right now. You should chat her about washers and machines. Yeah. And how stuff works, right?
That's right.
Yep. I guess that's full speed. Alright, I'm gonna see.
No, don't pick it up.
I'm just gonna see how fast this will spin.
It's not yours, William. It's not your laundry.
I'm just taking a video of the review, Mommy. I'm just showing the friends on YouTube that you know about washers. As you can see, the lid switch works on this. I think that's top speed. I'm gonna show you how fast does it spin. So make sure you don't open this during operation. Only if you miss any garments. Cause if you open it, it stops it. If you open the washer when it's running, it stops it because there's a lid switch behind it. So let me show you that again. It takes a second. And here we go. How fast does it spin? It comes into its really, really fast stop. And here it goes, it's rinsing. It's rinsing. You can hear that water filling up. It's really, really cool looking. The water's filling, you can see it. You can barely hear it water filling.
Yep, I can hear it.
Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Hey, William.
Is that digital?
William, I have a great idea.
Yes.
You know, you can put in all their Christmas stockings.
I can
You
put...
can make them a Christmas music CD.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that.
And you can make 4 of them, and you can bring one for each of them. I already told the ladies at work that you're going to make them for them, aren't you?
Yes.
All right.
Yep.
Yeah, we picked out some big songs.
It's awesome, Mommy. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can open this so I can watch the water fill in. Let's see.
Santa Claus is
Nope.
coming to town.
Huh, I can't, let's see, I can't get it to, huh. I heard something. The water's filling up. I had to raise it up so I could watch it filling up. Yep. Huh. It's supposed to be run during the fill cycle when the lid is open because you can't hear anything, it's just water. Yep. Vanessa, make sure you did so good on your keeping your laundry clean and stuff. Yep. Yep. You just clean anything to the washer itself, but don't take anything apart if you.
That's right, don't take anything apart.
Until the power is turned off and disconnected. That's right.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Darn
Yep.
right.
Right?
Too close to Christmas to die. Alright, well, you're selling.
Alright, Vanessa, you know a lot about washers and how it works. Alright. Bye, Vanessa. This is Vanessa, and I'm loving you so much. And don't forget to hit that subscription button and make sure you hit my bell. That's it.